Hi, preschool friends.
Hi, preschool friends.
All right, so it is Thursday, so that means it is show and share day. First, we'll start off with the question of the day. So, can you make a triangle with your hands? That's our question of the day. Can you make a triangle with your hands?
Yeah.
Can you do it, Kinsley? There you go. That's pretty good. What about if you did this? Is that a triangle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one of the activities you could do today is, let me see, or maybe that was yesterday. Nope. Let's see. Yep, today is you can make some shapes with some straws, and we're going to do that today. See if you remember the shapes that we learned in our classroom. So we'll get on to show and share. And does anybody remember our letter this week? Do you remember our letter?
Q.
Q. And does anybody remember what sound it makes?
Qua, qua, qua.
Yep. Qua, qua, qua. So, Kinsley, you said you wanted to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I brought a quail.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Kinsley brought a picture of quail. Qua, qua, quail. Does that start with Q?
Yes.
What can you tell me about these quail, Kinsley?
It has babies.
It has babies. Okay.
And with one is on the mama bird.
One is standing on the mama bird right there. That's so cute. Okay, Kinsley, my question for you is, have you ever seen a quail before? Yeah? When?
When you shot it before.
Oh, when we went bird hunting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so I brought a quilt. Qua, qua, quilt. Does that start with Q?
Yeah.
Yes, and a quilt is like a blanket. And one thing that I can tell you is we got this as a present when Jessa was born. So when she was a baby, somebody gave us this quilt for her. Do you have a question for me, Kinsley?
Did they sew it?
I think they crocheted it.
What's crocheted mean?
You use like these crocheting needles and you kind of hook all this stuff together.
Like Lady and the Tramp.
Were they crocheting on there?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, my preschool friends. So we made it through another week. And tomorrow, me and Kinsley will come on and make a little video shouting out a couple of friends that were giving me some good ideas for the week. So I think that's all we have for today, isn't it? Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, preschool friends. Bye.